Okay, welcome back guys. Today I'm going to unbox this kit called the Grasshopper Junior. This is item number 18105. You can get this kit from the playground for offer of $25. Check with the playground for stock availability. Okay, I'm going to open this kit. This is a VZ chassis. It's from an old kit. Used to have a Grasshopper kit. I forgot which chassis it was from, but I think it was maybe from the VS or something. I think the old timers should know, but I'm not that old, so bear with me. Okay, we have the black chassis here. This is the VZ chassis. Tamiya still haven't produced a reinforced chassis for all the VZ. So this is just a typical ABS chassis. We have the cow with human here, the racer, we call it the racer here, and this open style canopy. This material is also ABS as marked here, and this is in white. So I suggest you guys can do a bit of painting if you want to make it personalized. We have a set of wheels. These are slick black tires. So slick tires are typically not very grippy. Sorry, so slick tires are very grippy. However, this is not your soft slick tire. These are hard slick tires. So there's a marking here. It says MH. I'm not sure you can see it. So it says here MH. So this is like medium hard or something. So first time I see this kind of marking, but yeah, this does not feel soft. These are not your typical soft black tires. You have a set of 5-spoke rims, narrow and wide. This is PP material, white in color. Your set of parts for your terminals, a set of grease, a set of low friction bearing spacers for your wheel spacers, sorry, and stock motor, and you get a 4.2:1 gear ratio comes with the kit, and a set of A parts. These are black also, so you have a black ABS chassis and black A parts for the VZ chassis. Your typical set of stickers. These are nicely silvered colors with motifs on number 35. So you can see here it says Grasshopper Racing Team Grasshopper. So fan of Grasshoppers, if you are from those era, you should know the nostalgic of this kit. You can get yours at the playground now. And last but not least, your instruction manuals, which I don't need to go through this. You should know how to assemble your kit yourself. Okay, that's it for your kit. Thank you for watching, and check out for more kits. I'm gonna unbox one more. See you soon. Bye bye.